These are the Earhart elevators at the Tampa International Airport in Tampa, Florida. We got this one over here. Car number 12. This bank has cars 7 through 12 that serve the short-term parking garage.
Going up. Short-term parking area level 9.
Here we're at 9. Let's go 1. Whoa, what a bell. Kind of a sick bell, actually. We're gonna, you know what, we're just gonna ride this same elevator back up, just so we can hear that again. Here's your cab view.
Federal law requires wearing a mask inside the airport. Failure to comply may result in penalties, including removal and denial of re-entry.
We're on 2. Here's your inspection certificate.
Going down. Level 1. Baggage claim, rental cars, and ground transportation.
As mentioned, we're gonna go up to 9.
Going up. Short-term parking area level 9.
Listen. Wow. Again, yeah, that is one sick bell. Anyway, actually, I think we're gonna send this one down and call another one. Here we are at the top of the garage. We're just gonna wait for another one to get here. It's probably gonna be the one next to it, elevator E. Actually, it might not. It might be C. Nope, it's E. Let's go 1. This is car 11.
Level 1. Baggage claim, rental cars, and ground transportation.